Guys, hello sa inyong lahat. Ayan, I'm here again, jdl_love, at welcome to my channel. So I will gonna teach you how to use camerafi using your Android phone. Okay, so if you don't have a camerafi in your phone, so you just go to your apps store and just download the camerafi. Okay, so now we'll go to camerafi. Okay, just click this one, then it will pop up the camerafi live. So you see now you have YouTube, login Facebook, Twitch, Restream, record, custom art. But I will gonna teach you in YouTube how to stream live. Even those small YouTuber like 100, 200 subscriber, they can make a live stream using this application camerafi live. Okay, so you're gonna click the YouTube so that you can enter your Gmail account. Okay, after you enter your Gmail account, you will gonna be logged in. Okay, so now I log in already. So after that, you're gonna click YouTube. But before that, don't ever put your setting in screen. Just put in camera. Okay, now we will go to YouTube. Okay, so I will log in my account. Okay, so now I'm logging in my account, so I will press start. Okay, when you press, it will automatically go to your screen. So now we're in the screen of camerafi. So it's not yet streaming, so we will gonna put some setting. If you want to put some emoticon or some background wallpaper in your screen, you just click this down below, the smiley. Okay, and you can choose whatever you want in your screen. Okay, if you choose this one, I will choose this one. Okay, so it will appear your live stream like this. Okay, then if you want to add more, just click a lot of option here. You can put heart or thumbs up. Okay, it will appear there, the thumbs up. Okay, while your live stream, there's a lot of what do you call this, to be choose while you're in streaming. Okay, so you just click this down and you will find a lot of emoticon. Okay, and this one, if you want with light, you can put with light like this. Just always go to this option. Okay, so now if you want to make it silent, your live stream, you just go to this setting. You can go to the setting and you can mute your live stream. Okay, so you will not be copyright or anything, so it's a mute, meaning there's no sound on it. Okay, so you just click this one, anything you want. Setting, in setting you can put your title of your live stream. Okay, if you want to put silent ls, okay, just click that one and you can put some description, what you like, just write here and type. Okay, you can save your video also if you want. Just click this one, you can save your video, your live stream to your mobile. Okay, because there's a lot of things to do here. If you want, just go to setting. Okay, so now we're done. So you just gonna click your this ready, then it will be automatically transferred in your YouTube channel and you're live already. Okay, so thank you very much. I hope you learn again to my tutorial on how to use camerafi using your Android. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, just thumbs up, of course, and subscribe also, and just click the bell notification of any upload of my videos. Okay, thank you very much and God bless.